In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a map in GTA 5 Online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily open the map and set up points of interest, waypoints, and so on. All that you have to do to open the map is to pause the game. So if you are on PC, you are going to have to press escape, and if you are using a controller like this, press start. Regardless of which option you pick, when you pause the game, the first category is always going to be map. So pause the game and go over to map. Now, if you are on PC, you can press select to zoom in, or if you are on a controller, press A. Now you will be able to browse through the map. If you are inside of a building like this, you are going to only see the insides of the building, so it might not be as interesting. But if I were to go outside and open the map, you would be able to see everything in a lot more detail around the city, use the points of interest that I mentioned, and so on. So I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna show you how it looks. After this cutscene, I'll be able to open the map. Like I said, the process is going to be exactly the same across all platforms and between story mode and online. So right outside of your apartment, open the pause menu and the map will be displayed. You can use the left joystick to look around, and you can zoom in and out with the left trigger and right trigger, or L2 and R2. Alternatively, if you are on PC, you will be able to use page up and page down, as you can see here. You can use a low detail mode if you think it is too crowded, and like I said, it is extremely simple to browse through all of these. You can use these quick icons by choosing over them with the D-pad or your mouse, and they will be zoomed into focus, so you always know where to find any of these services. You can use waypoints by pressing A, so you will mark a certain location, and the minimap will dynamically update with your current location in relation to the waypoint, and you can use points of interest where you can set up a custom waymark essentially. So this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a map in GTA 5 Online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.